Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use Camo Studio to share your iPhone camera with Windows PC, just like Apple's continuity feature. So let's get started. So what is Camo Studio? So Camo Studio will help you sharing your iPhone's camera with Windows PCs using Windows Store app. So it allows you to share all the cameras from your phone to Windows PC. So I'll just show you an example. So I'll just share my screen. So I'm using 3U Air Player to mirror my phone screen so I've opened Camo Studio app on my phone. So this is how it opens up. So by default you have two ways to connect. One is wireless, that is through Wi-Fi, or via USB. So I'm using it through USB cable, and this is the Store app, Microsoft Store app. So I'll be sharing the links in the description. So if you have a Copilot Plus PC, you can use all those AI features. So if not, if you have a good GPU like NVIDIA, it actually falls back to that and uses CUDA acceleration as well for those background blur, portrait effects, etc. So let's move to the app. So first thing first, it will ask you to pair your iPhone camera. So you have to just go to the devices and pair a device. So it will instantly show your phone once it's paired. So you have to be on the same Wi-Fi if you are using Wi-Fi wireless connection. Otherwise, the USB cable should pick up the devices very quickly. Adjusting the phone camera. So yeah, once it is connected, you will see a picture or video feed. So this is using the main camera. So I'll just stop the screen sharing. I've switched it to the ultra wide. So as you can see there, since it is a subscription based service, you'll be limited to 720p on the free version, and the higher resolutions are available upon paying the subscription every month. Next you have the ability to select the microphone. So next you have a few features, that is replacing the background, portrait blur, manual focus, autofocus, and things like that. So this is one of the effects wherein it will apply PostFX. So you can just play around with these effects. Now this is regarding the focus, zoom. So you can do a manual zoom or auto zoom to subject. So if you are using the selfie camera, so that will be very helpful. And this is related to the stabilization. So do note that you need a powerful machine to apply the PostFX, otherwise you'll notice slight slowdowns. So you can mirror the camera, flip the feed vertically, zoom into a specific location, so you have all the customizations you need. You can even play with effects that is similar to an emoji, where you replace your face with a cat or an emoji. So you also have a click to focus. So if you have touch screen or something, so these happens during using the native camera. So this is manual focus. So if you want a macro shot, it is advised to use ultra wide, because it can go very near to a subject, as you can see here. So usually autofocus works the best, so that the camera can respond quickly. You can even add spotlight effect. So this is helpful when doing a meeting or something where you are facing the interviewer. You can even replace it with a green screen or your own image. So this is related to the blur effect in the background. Next, you can adjust a few things that is related to shutter speed and ISO, depending on your camera and your preferences. You can adjust it however you want. So this is related to the background replacement. So since it's looking for a human face subject, so it is empty, or it is just blur out the entire things in the background. So like I said previously, you can just set your adjustment and tweak it how you require for a pro control. So this is available on the free version, so you can do a trial method or even increase the flash level. So it's a very versatile and customizable adjustment, giving you very fine-tuned controls. So you can just reset it to defaults as well. So next is the watermark, or a few things that is already added in the free version. So there is a template, so you can select these templates so that your name, your Twitter handle or anything gets shown, so that it is more engaging to the user. So you can even share your screen as a small feed there, and even do podcast like videos with only the voiceovers. There is tons of effects available if you pay for a subscription, but in the free version it is also available. So it is much more than sufficient if you are okay with 720p camera feed. So you can even pause the video feed, even modify existing template and replace the text and image, anything. I'll show you a demo. I'll just replace few text. So you can apply your own custom settings for each and every template. You can even select specific video source. So should it automatically choose a front camera or a back camera or wide angle camera or ultra wide. So even if you have telephoto on your pro devices, that can also work. So this is a modified template with my customization of test name. So I think that's it for this video. I hope anyone who's migrating from Android to iPhone find this video helpful, and thanks for watching. Bye.